Good morning, students. I miss you, and I'm here to direct you to your assignments today. They include the Gravity Force Lab, the Summative, and the Satellite Lab. If you check out the Gravity Force Lab, what you see here is the document that you will use to insert your final draft. Your formative was first. Check out feedback if you haven't. The scoring criteria, and then a recently created checklist. If you open it up, I just copied and pasted the language from the scoring criteria so that it's a little bit more readily accessible to you. And for some sections, like the identify the phenomenon, the distinguished options include more than one idea. You are welcome to just pick one of those and then do the same for each section. And that's due Friday, so you have some time, but I'd like you to use class time to prioritize that and certainly get started on it so that you are not heavy with remote work later in the week. Next is the Satellite Lab. If you finish, you can pull up the Satellite Lab and check out part 3. You've already brainstormed, you've done the initial play, and you have derived an expression that relates orbital radius and orbital period. So you are going to use that expression and your observations to make a prediction for a radius that you have not yet measured on this simulation. And you will develop your own method for exploring that relationship between mass, distance, using period. So those questions are there to guide you, and that's it. I hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.